Hey guys, welcome back to BlueWhaleCrypto. Today in this video we will talk about Bitcoin. We will talk about the news for the day. I will give you some free signals, some analysis where we need to look for the new entries inside the Bitcoin and the rest of the altcoin markets. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do make sure to subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, share this video with your friends and family so that we can all earn a good sum of profit. If you haven't subscribed my Telegram channel, do make sure to join the Telegram channel by joining the link in the description, as you are missing out this huge sums of profit. This signal was also been given out to you over the YouTube on my previous video where I informed you about the local support for the Bitcoin, and which already gave us a more than 1000% profit by now. Okay, so let's get into it. So in the previous video, I informed you that this is a area of interest. It's going to be the local bottom or local support for the Bitcoin. That is this area. And I also informed that this trend line has been working as a previous support. So it had worked out pretty well. If we even had put it up a small amount of margin and tried to take a long from this area with the stop loss right below it, it had given us already more than 1000% profit. Now I see many people inside the market just change their sentiments by a flick of second. When the price of the Bitcoin was at $20,770, exactly nearby the support, like $20,900 nearby the support, I see many people are looking for a short. They are still bearish. Look, I understand the sentiment, the market is bearish, but that doesn't mean we need to be bearish at the support. Supports are usually to look for the longs, okay? This is not the area where I'm looking for a long. The same people out there are now looking for a long. So to be very honest, look, this pink box will act as a resistance. The same way, if I just simply remove this to give you a broader view, if I remove this, okay, so I'm just gonna give you a broad view how it's gonna work out. Okay, so this is the bear flag, this is the stick, this is the flag, and it's been consolidating inside the flag by now, till now. Okay, it's been more than 45 days we've been inside the flag. So in order to get a bullish momentum, in order to make sure that we are heading back to $28,000 or $27, $28, $30,000, for that scenario what we need is, first of all, a break above the level of $23,700, because this line, this flag upper trend line is going up and up with every touch. So with every touch, when it's coming up, then this time where we need a close is, this time we need a close above this point. That's going to be $23,774, which will act as a good resistance level for the Bitcoin, right? And once we get a confirmation about this level, yes, we can be pretty bullish. And once there is a breakout, your new entry for the long can be considered here, right? But what if we get a rejection? That we are watching already a rejection, but we can see that there could be a consolidation and then a rise up. And if this area sustains, at least let's say if this area has been sustained for till Monday, then also we can think of some of the bullish momentum inside the market, because there is a 200 simple moving average in a weekly time frame that we are below it. So in order to get a bullishness, in order to stay bullish or any scenario for that, what we need is a close above 22,500. Okay, so here's the, if you see, this is the blue line that you see, that's a 200 moving average. Okay, this is a 200 moving average, the blue line. So if we get a confirmation, like if we get a close above $2,300, $700, then we can consider this to be a bullishness and a trend reversal for the short term inside the market, which will eventually head us back to $28,000 to $30,000, where it will be a major resistance level. And I believe it would not gonna break for once. It might gonna take over 2 to 3 times to break it. All right. So you see that. Simply just be optimistic. I'm holding this trade from the bottom, so I have nothing to worry. I've just put up my stop loss in the profit zone, and I'm good to go with the rest of my position to build more profit for me. Coming up with the next that I will talk about is going to be the Ethereum. So Ethereum, as I informed you in the previous videos as well, that Ethereum has broken out from a downtrend. Okay, if we just cancel this line, now you see that it's giving you a broader view. It's giving you a broader view. What I was expecting, as it's a bear market, we try to see the lower levels of any coin. So I was probably thinking for entry at $1,303 or nearly around $1,300. But some of you took the entry before it. Even my premium family also took the entry before it, and they are also making a huge sum of profit. It came again inside the bull flag. Okay, this was a bull flag, and it has already broken out from a, you can say that a daily downtrend line, or a 4 hour. If you see in the 4 hour time frame, it also has given us a breakout. So this area was supposed to give us a good support, where we would have taken a new entry for the Ethereum. But my orders were not filled as I put it up the limit order. Nothing to worry, it still gave me a huge sum of profit. Coming up with the next. Okay, so if you think for a new entry inside the Ethereum, I will consider to take it once this bull flag has been broken. Okay, there could be a, so buy high, sell high. This is going to be the strategy for upcoming days. But for that, we need a close above 1689. Okay, so once we get a close above 1689, then surely we can take for a long opportunity if we get a rejection. So we also need to consider that we can short this. If we get a closing in 4 hourly time frame, a good rejection, okay, like this one, in the previous one, you can see that it is a good rejection, a consolidation, then a rejection, and then a very bearish candle. So we need the same rejection here. If we see a rejection, we will look for a short opportunity. If we break this level of $1,680, then what we will think is we will look out for a long opportunity. Next would be the BNB. The signal was also shared with you guys in my previous YouTube videos, and that has played out pretty well. So it has given us 2-time profit. Moreover, BNB is pretty bullish. What I will consider to do is just remove this. So even in the Ethereum, I see the stochastic RSI is pretty bullish with the 1 hourly time frame. I have seen that because it's at the bottom, probably at the bottom, yes. So we can expect some rise in the price of Ethereum. Ethereum is pretty bullish. Moreover, if we see a good entry, nearby in BNB, I'm talking about the BNB. So if we see an entry nearby this level, we can look for a new entry inside. So this could be a good entry for the BNB. If you are taking for a long position, 260 would be a good entry for the long position. Now, one of the finest signal that I will talk about is going to be the Alice. It's going to be the coin for the day. It had already pumped pretty well, and I have already shared the signal with my premium family, where we took the entry right here and already giving us a good amount of profit. So what I'm watching out right now in Alice, that it's forming a inverse head and shoulder pattern which broken out pretty well. The neck is low, but the shoulders are pretty high. So in order to get a confirmation, what we need is we need a retest to these levels, and once the price comes for a retest, you can look for a new opportunity, new long position inside the Alice. Okay, it's going to be 2.571. In this case, I have provided 8 targets because it could be a good opportunity for a swing trade, and I would like to hold it for upcoming days. But I'll also consider that how the market sentiments are. If the BTC is getting rejection, surely I will try to close it. If Alice is coming below the trend line, and while the Bitcoin is dropping and is trying to break the lower levels, surely I will close the trade for the Alice. You need to understand, guys, we have to act on the macro movements, macro sentiments of the market. If the market sentiments are getting bullish, we need to grab the opportunity. We are not like a stiff person, a arrogant person who just gonna have a simple just one mindset that yes, the market is gonna go this way only. If I'm wrong, still I'm gonna hold that trade. No, guys. If the market is giving you an opportunity, if the trend of the market is changing, because last few days we are completely in the sideways. If I think over here that the market is gonna get bullish, okay, and if I try to take a long and I'm gonna keep on holding it and then I'm gonna close it here, so at the support, so it's gonna make no sense, guys. What we need is we need to, if we are in the range bound, we need to, how many times we have taken a long position inside the Bitcoin in last few days. You can check it out. These times I'm just simply removing the setups, but you can consider this one time. If let's say you haven't taken an entry here, you take an entry here, one good move, second good move, you shorted here, again a good move. Okay, so we shorted the resistance, we longed the support. It is very good opportunity inside the market on a daily basis, every day. Like the last time we shorted was here, okay, $23,300 was the area where we looked for a short opportunity, and then it came up to the support. I see many people are looking for a short opportunity, or they are not even considering for long opportunity. We are at the support, we shouldn't look for longs. So I took a long, it's already giving me a good amount of profit. Now many would start getting bullish over here, but no, we don't need to be bullish over here until unless we see a good breakout. So Alice trade seems to be very good because it already had given us a good breakout. And in the Bitcoin, I need a breakout about $23,700. This is my consideration, my analysis for the Bitcoin and the Ethereum BNB Alice. There's one more thing that you need to consider for the day. That's going to be the GDP reports will be released at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, I believe. Thursday, okay. So this is the time where we can see a volatile move inside the market. So all right, so that was all about today's quick update. I hope you get good amount of knowledge and a perfect analysis for the Bitcoin, and I believe you can make a good sum of profit from these signals. All right, do share your love and make sure to comment in the comment section and let me know how you do you love my analysis, or are you making any sum of profit from my signals. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, guys.